Does this sound familiar? Is your baby making these noises while breastfeeding? It can be more than just a poor latch. So sometimes the tongue tie can restrict the baby's tongue movement and it prevents the tongue from resting in the roof of the mouth. So now the baby is unable to maintain proper position, cannot maintain good negative pressure in the mouth. So this can interfere with good milk drainage and milk transfer. So often you hear clicking sounds, there's incomplete milk transfer, sometimes engorged breasts, and there can be frustration of the baby because the baby is not satisfied with the feed. So if you're noticing any difficulties with breastfeeding, it's about time to get this assessed. Sometimes it could just be poor body posture, sometimes it could be a tongue tie, sometimes it could be poor muscle control. There could be many reasons behind this, so better get this assessed soon.